units of K equilibrium or equilibrium constant. See, we always know that the constants always have certain units. But what is the problem with the equilibrium constant is, as we have been knowing it from its expression, that since its expression depends upon the concentrations of or the partial pressures of the reactants or the product and to the power their coefficients, and since these coefficients will change from the reaction to the reaction, what we find is the unit of the equilibrium constant will not be fixed. It will change from reaction to reaction. Therefore, we generally don't have the system of writing down the units of equilibrium constant after its value. I can explain you with this example. Like, let us take A moles of A combines with B moles of B to form C moles of C and D moles of D. If I take Kc, it is the C to the power C, concentration of D to the power D, concentration of A to the power A, and concentration of B to the power B. If it is Kp, of all of these are gaseous in nature, it is partial pressure of C to the power C, partial pressure of D to the power D, partial pressure of A to the power A, and partial pressure of B to the power B. Now, in all these, both of these expressions, what we find is, it is always definitely is the C, D, A, B, these coefficients, which makes difference. Since these coefficients will not be same in all the reactions or whatever the examples we will take, since they will differ from the reaction to reaction, the unit of equilibrium constant is not fixed. It differs from reaction to reaction. Therefore, we never write unit of equilibrium constant after its value. So we only write the value, whatever the value it is having, without any unit. But if we want to find out, yes, we can find out. If everything is given in terms of the concentration, it will be in terms of moles per liter to the power something, because it will depend on again C and D and A and B. If it is expressed in terms of Kp, partial pressures, it will be in terms of atm or pascals or whatever you have taken the unit of the pressure to the power some power, because it again depends on the C and D and A and B. So generally we don't write the units, we simply write the value of the equilibrium constant.